Leakers are at it again, this time hinting at a new DJI drop. It wasn't that long ago when we were all talking about the DJI Neo and Osmo Action 5 Pro, and now the spotlight's shifted to the Air 3S, which has been popping up lately. The Air 3S was just spotted in the DJI Fly app, causing quite the stir. According to Quadro News, DJI is eyeing a potential release in October. If this timeline holds up, the new Air 3S would replace both the Air 2S and last year's Air 3 in DJI's lineup, making it the newest and most advanced model in that series. Essentially, it would become the top choice over these previous versions in DJI's product range. It's expected to target both casual users and pro consumers looking for a balance of portability and performance. Meanwhile, Oscicopter claims to have found an official teaser, with a date set for September 25th. This teaser, which has been reposted on Facebook, seems to originate from Chinese social media platforms. However, as of now, there's no sign of the teaser on DJI's Weibo or official Chinese website, leaving us to wonder if this date is set in stone. On another note, DJI is gearing up to launch the Osmo Action 5 Pro on September 19th. Check out our video from the link in the description below. If you're looking for something already available, the DJI Neo is out in several markets for $199 on Amazon. It's a compact and affordable drone that's gaining traction for its ease of use and beginner-friendly features. And there's more. DJI might be working on a smaller addition to their RS4 camera gimbal lineup. Igor Bogdanov discovered hints that a new mini version of the RS4 gimbal could be on the way. While we don't have too many details yet, the RS4 Mini could bring a lighter, more portable option for filmmakers and content creators who want top-notch stabilization without the bulk. The RS4 and RS4 Pro, which launched earlier this year, have already impressed users with their versatility, so a mini version could be a game-changer for on-the-go creators. That's all the latest on DJI's upcoming releases and leaks. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.